as a Frito, you know, and I was, you know, not just a Frito, but a Frito Bandito, a Spanish Frito.
Yeah, and
In the event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh, did you?
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's
Dean Edwards.
Oh shoot!
No, I would not.
God.
I would not try to do blackface right now. I don't think so.
Yeah, because you did on Saturday Night Live. You did do Chris Rock.
A tree.
Yo, whose tree? That's what I want to know.
Oh yeah.
That's why you're there. I mean, you're there because then and it's cool you're in the studio now and moving forward.
Talks about people. He's in green rooms and writing rooms and nightclubs and comedy camps. And
You know what carpentry? Carpentry is that kind of it's a Chinese.
Really not much. A college material doctor. I had fear of groups, so I would.
Self-deprecating, and it's been misinterpreted by people way less talented than him for a long.
Jiu-jitsu? Well, what is that supposed to mean? Jiu-jitsu, you know?
The effervescent beauty.
You ready?
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging and
my show.
killing it for you, boy. Killing it.